How to find Sofi routing number. Sofi is a fintech company offering a wide range of online financial services, including loans, banking, investing, and insurance, known for its career coaching and financial planning. To find your Sofi routing number, first, go to the Sofi website and click on Login. Enter your credentials to access your account. Next, click on the Money tab, then click on the More option. After that, select Account Details, and your Sofi routing number will appear on the screen. That's it. Thanks for watching.